Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. I have a quick PSA for you guys, and I just want to say, make sure to stay home unless it's an emergency. And if you go out, make sure to use a mask and wear it properly. The correct way to wear it is put it over your nose and your mouth like this. Just like that. And also, if you receive a package or if you buy something from the store, make sure to wipe it down or spray it with some Lysol or Clorox. When you go back home, make sure to wash your hands at least 30 seconds long, or use some hand sanitizer. Please make sure to stay safe, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, happy Saturday. I got a personal chauffeur.
Hi.
Mama's boy. He is chauffeuring me to the store to go. I was supposed to just buy some hot links, but I'm supposed to go do my grocery shopping tomorrow, so I think I'll probably just grab the stuff that I need right now so that I don't have to go out tomorrow. I just love watching him drive. Y'all, he makes my heart beat, y'all. He makes the blood pressure rise up. He makes wide turns. Sometimes he done ran a few stop signs, y'all. Lord have mercy. So yeah, we're on the way now to the store. He's gonna drive me. We're gonna go to 3 stores, son.
Okay.
So first take me to the big store.
Commissary?
Okay, so no, we'll go do that one second. Okay, so I'll holler at y'all in a bit. Now we are on the way home. And we just went to 3 stores. He only missed like one little stop sign. Coming out the commissary where you should have stopped, but you just rolled. No, you're gonna go ahead and go straight.
Oh.
So we're on the way home, and for dinner tonight we're gonna do hamburgers and hot links on the grill. And yeah, look at how he drives, y'all. I'm so proud of him. I got a little chauffeur.
What's the chauffeur?
You don't know what a chauffeur is?
No.
Someone who drives people around.
An Uber.
Yeah. You want to be my Uber? Because I'm your Uber all the time.
Sure.
Every time you need mama, bring you something, you forgot something, you want to go somewhere, who takes you?
You.
Exactly. So now you can start taking me. Yeah?
Yeah.
You like driving?
Yes.
Okay. You're doing a good job. Remember, this turn up here on your left is like a yield. So don't just fly through it. Y'all. Okay, a yield.
Oh,
a yield.
I thought it was
a yield.
I thought it was.
Lord, have mercy.
I went.
That's a yield.
The whole thing.
Yeah, you didn't even yield. You just rolled on through.
I slowed down when I got to the yield part.
A slow down ain't a yield. You gotta like yield is damn near stop.
Okay.
Lord have mercy. That one right there. That's the one right there. He always misses every time we go on this long one. You always miss that one, don't you?
Yeah.
You just roll on through it. We're almost home, y'all. We're almost home. We're almost gonna make it. Driving Miss Daisy. Oh, look at there goes what you call it? Okay, so here is everything that we bought from the commissary today. Let me show y'all. We got 4 tortillas, because every time I buy them, I buy at least four or more, because I always run out of them. And then I bought some vanilla ice cream. This is the Breyers. I bought some of this Italian sausage, the hot ones, and the firecracker spicy sausage. I'm going to actually put those on the grill tonight in about an hour or so. Some goldfish, some ranch. Kylie likes this right here, this peach flavored drink. Chocolate milk. My son picked these up, so I'm assuming this one is for him. This one's for the little one, and this one's for the middle one, because she don't do chocolate milk like that. And then this is something new that I have not bought before, but this is from the Near East brand. Never heard of it really, but it's the roasted garlic and olive oil couscous. So yeah, we're gonna try that, because you guys know in my house we eat a lot of rice. Okay, lots of rice. So thought we'll give this a try. Some of the grape, it's like a dang it, what is this like, Chase? Like not like a slushy, but like those little kid things, y'all, them little slurpy things that they in the pouch right here. Okay, you guys get what I'm trying to say. Some onions, 3 onions. I got no, that's just gummy bears in there. Some chicken drumsticks, some chicken thighs, a few, like 5 breakfast burritos, 2 ground beef. There you go. 2 of these chocolate chip cookies. Oops, my husband likes these a lot. Some of these Uncrustables. The oldest and the youngest love these, so I always get strawberry jelly. 2 bacons. Some Dawn dish detergent soap, because my huge one is running out. So I was about to buy the big one, but it wasn't on sale. It was like $6 and change when I think I bought it on sale. Let me show y'all, because I got like dishes everywhere, y'all. This bad boy right here. I'm getting low. So this, I had got it on sale like months and months ago. I think in January, y'all. And it was like $4. So that's why I just went ahead and bought this one, because it was cheaper. And then the soups. We like these ones. So I got 3 of each. Some corn pops, 2 milks, 2 eggs, and this right here I got from the Next, so that's what I'm gonna show y'all in a second. So apples, these apples, y'all, $7 for 4 apples. $7, 4 apples. Can you believe it? I don't, but I got them anyways. These were $4.77, I think. The strawberries a piece, $4.77. $7. So $7 some change. So let me say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't talk about me, y'all. $13 right there. $13 for this. Unbelievable. Okay? Yeah. Salad, okay? So that we could, you know, cook it with this, so we could put it with this chicken breast, you know, chicken thighs, y'all. Chicken thighs, my bad. Chicken thighs. I'm sorry, I'm all over the place, y'all. Hefty pizza. So I already showed y'all the eggs, told y'all the eggs. Now from the Next, we got toilet tissue. This is actually my favorite brand right here, y'all. This Quilted Northern, the purple one, this is actually my favorite one, because it actually is very plush, like it says. So I really love this one. I got me another wine. Yes. And loving this. Clean Sensations. Love this, y'all. Put this in the laundry. It's Arm & Hammer, y'all. And then, of course, the Arm & Hammer Sensitive Scent. So, yeah, that's what I got. Oh, and then the hubby went today earlier, y'all. He went to the commissary this morning to buy pancake mix. And he bought hamburger and hot dog buns, lettuce, onion, tomato, mayo for our hamburgers, which are over there. Messy, messy, messy. That's breakfast, y'all. All right.